kitchen. I've got a fantastic recipe for you today. It's my waffle recipe. Now, in our house, it's a tradition, every birthday we have waffles for breakfast, and sometimes other times too. The kids went vegan recently and I was struggling with that, so I've come up with this really good recipe, put it on Instagram, and everyone asked me to share the recipe. So here it is. They're plant-based, but you wouldn't know it. The first thing I'm gonna do is start off with my dry mix. So I've got some self-raising flour in here, and to that I'm gonna add some sugar, half a teaspoon of salt, teaspoon of baking powder, there we go, and just give that a little whisky whisk just to distribute that there. Then I'm going to have my wet ingredients. So in here I've got some plant-based milk, I've got some soy milk in here, and to that first of all I'm going to sour it. So you know with vegan baking you can make vegan buttermilk, so this is going to be vegan buttermilk, so I just add a teaspoon of apple cider vinegar to this. There we go. So I'm just going to give it a bit of a stir. And then I'm going to add some applesauce. And this is amazing, when you eat them you can't taste the apples or the applesauce. Give that a stir, and then lastly into my liquid I've got some plant-based butter. So in that goes. Fabulous. So now all I need to do is add my wet mix to my dry mix. So just stir it in. And you don't want to over mix it. If it's a little bit lumpy, that's fine. And the rest of that going in. So this will do 6 to 8 waffles. There we go. I'm going to use my waffle machine here now. I love these waffle machines, and you can use them for savoury recipes too. So I'm just going to open that up. I've preheated it, and I like to just use these spray oils. So just give it a spray. Fill the waffle grid. These are going to take 4 minutes until they're really puffy and fluffy and ready to soak in maple syrup and demolish it. Beep beep, it's ready. Let's have a look-see. Oh wow, look! How majestic. Look at those puffy waffles. I'm going to dish them up. I'm going to get some maple syrup. Here he comes. Oh, look, look, look. Bit of fruits. Soak it in the old syrup. Oh, look at it. Look, 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 look. Look. Fluffy. Oh, wow. I'm just going to break it so, look. Fluffy, light. Now, I actually prefer these to the ones I used to make with the eggs in. They are delicious. You can make a whole batch and then just put them in the fridge, and you can just reinvigorate them in the toaster so you can have them for a few days. Hope you enjoyed the video. The recipe for these is just down there, so you can thank me later. Enjoy, happy breakfasting. Do you want to try it? Seriously, come and try it. Come and try it.